My name is I-Chieh Fang, and now I'm teaching in the National Tsinghua University.
And what is your specialization, and what particular kind of problems do you study?
Okay, I'm trained to be an anthropologist, and my research topic is related to labor relations, industrialization, and the gender and youth. Yeah, my area, the area I study is China, contemporary China, or so-called postmodern China.
Have you published in English before?
Yes, one journal article, and I think it's 3 book chapters.
So since you'd already published in English, why did you decide to attend the workshop?
The issue is I cannot publish it. I need a journal article to get published soon in order to get tenure. So, and I find it's rather difficult. Yeah, I find it's rather difficult. And the main problem is I cannot find I cannot find a reader. So I'm very happy. I feel very lucky to come to this this workshop, because I have such an experts to be my reader and give me some very helpful comment. Because most of my colleagues they are anthropologists, but probably their expertise is religions, or most of them are religions, environment, museum, but they are not that interested in economic situation, transformation, or especially factory. So
What was the most useful part of the workshop for you?
I think it's an individual consultant, and I really think, can I say that? I want to thank you, Linda. You really give me lots of useful comments and help me to clarify what I want to say in my paper, and you give us such a relevant and helpful comment, and make me feel it's revisable, it's doable. You know, sometimes the comment is it sounds very good, but you can never achieve that. But your comment is it's just, it's doable, and it's exactly what I need. Thank you.
Do you ever do this kind of discussion about writing with your friends or colleagues?
Yes, just as some classmates just share. We formed a study group or writing group with my co-workers or colleagues. But I think that's a very different kind of writing groups. Probably the first thing is the target audience are totally different. And for the international audience, I think after I come back to Taiwan, we lose the sense of the international academic community. So we probably write something quite relevant to the Taiwan community, but it's not interested for the international audience, especially I'm doing China.
I mean, your strategy in your own career from now on is to publish in both English and Chinese?
I don't know. I think I should publish in English, but publish in Chinese is much easier for me. And it's quicker. So sometimes I choose to publish some Chinese journal articles. But now I think it's time for me to really focus on publish 1 or 2.
What do you find most difficult in trying to write and publish in English?
English.
The language.
The language.
The language.
The language, yeah. The language is most difficult. Yeah.
You studied in the United States or in England, or?
In UK. In the UK, in London School of Economics. Yeah. And
Yes. So you wrote your dissertation in English?
In English, but with help of the proofreader. After we write the whole thesis, we need someone to correct our grammar.
We may always need that. When I do things in foreign language, somebody always has to check it. So that may not go away, but hopefully the other parts of it will go away. what you found most useful about the workshop was the individual consultation.
Yeah, individual consultation, and that's the first and the most helpful part, because you really sit down and read our article carefully and give the relevant comment. So that's the first. And the second part, I think, is through the group discussion. So at that occasion, you need to present your ideas with very succinct sentence language to your group members, and try to defend or try to explain, elaborate your idea within a very short time. I think it's also a very helpful activities to help you reorganize your ideas and clarify, and you can see through their reaction, and you know what kind of wording or what kind of presentation is work better. Yeah.
So I thank you very much for letting us interview
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you.